Oh, fuck. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So, we've been back on land for a couple of weeks now. Haven't been getting up to too much, but we do have something very exciting that has happened. Say hello to Princess KIDA.
That's full in a dance floor made of grass. Your blue eyes make me wanna make this evening last. Put on an old song, put on that new dress. Tomorrow's coming, but it ain't here yet. We got stars outside, just you and I got this feeling rising to the ceiling, singing. Deadlines, leave them in the 9 to 5. Let's not race and not like this. Let's hold on tight. We got stars outside.
So, I've never really been able to do an ollie on a skateboard, so I'm going to dedicate a little bit of time today to ollie over this can. Now, I know the rest of Australia is thinking, Baden, why do you have a Dr. Pepper in your hand? Well, I saw it in the store. I'm pretty sure I don't like Dr. Pepper, but I bought it just to clarify that. So, yep, I'm gonna try successfully jump over this can on a skateboard. Hopefully I don't break my ass. Cheers. Yep, still don't like it.
I'm sorry, don't know where to begin. Don't get these demons in my head. Please help me find the cause of it. This is
Still don't like it. Really not good.
Like this.
Nice.
She looks so depressed when she's with you.
Oh, that's not depression. That is. I don't know. I got nothing.
I think she feels so high up.
Yeah, maybe.
You're not high, are you?